Hello and welcome to Buck Foo's Kitchen. I've got some helpers today and they're gonna assist me in making some honey butter. So what we're gonna start with is some heavy whipping cream. You wanna hold it up and show it to the camera? Good job. Now let's get the honey. Is it behind you, I think? And we need honey. Honey is a good product to use in honey butter. So let's get started. Right off the bat, we'll go ahead and open up this container.
Something's wrong with it.
Alright, so you dump the heavy cream right in the mixer.
And now we're going to do
the mixing. No, we won't use that yet. We'll use it after we get the butter made. And start it up. And let it go. I'll try to time how long it takes.
Okay.
So it's starting to thicken up a little. And it's been about 5 minutes. So we'll just give it a little bit more time. It's gonna be any day now.
What?
Yeah.
It's not going to be any day.
It's been about, well, 13 minutes. And it's starting to thicken up some more.
Yeah, it is.
Any day now.
Anytime now. One flash in my eyebrow.
Oh, is it starting to...
Yeah. Starting. Oh, I can hear it in my ear.
So you know what that is?
Butter.
That is butter. Have you done this before?
No, but we did make butter out of school one day.
What?
Yes.
What kind of school do you go to? A dairy?
No.
So there it is. So I'll take that out of there. Then you want to squeeze all that buttermilk out of that butter. Because if it stays in there, it'll go sour.
Yeah.
Can you show me squeezing this ball?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, look down here.
I am.
Okay. And you just want to
Squeeze it out.
Squeeze it out. And just spend a few minutes doing this. There we go. You want to see down in there? So we got our butter ball. And what you want to do, I usually do about 50-50. So we want about the same amount of honey as butter. So let's try about that much.
Okay.
Fun fact, honey is bee vomit.
Yep.
So, enjoy.
Stop it, you gotta mix it first.
You gonna make somebody throw up?
No.
Well, if they were eating honey at the time, it would just be part of the process. So.
Stop it. So, we're mixing up our honey with our butter. First, we're chopping it, and then we're mixing it.
That's right. So this is a butter bell. I got this a couple of years ago for a Christmas present. And you put your butter in here, you put a little water in here, and you don't have to refrigerate it. And you just change the water about every 3 days. So I've never tried it with butter and honey, but honey lasts forever, so I would think
We're going
it
to
would
try
work just
this
as well.
time.
Yeah, we'll give it a try.
Yeah, we'll give it a try. So, we almost got it in there. So, now we still have a little bit in there.
Yep. So let's show them So I got the mix in there. And what we're going to do is just put a little water in the bottom. And then you take this and point the camera. There you go. And it just goes right in there, and we'll see if that stays stuck. And that's how you do it. You want to say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
You say thanks for watching? No.